Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is January and I create friendly beginner Figma tutorials. So in my last video, we designed the transaction page and today we're going to take it a step further. So by exploring auto layout and absolute spacing in Figma, you get to know more. Auto layout is a powerful tool that helps us design flexible and responsive components, while absolute spacing gives us control over individual elements inside an auto layout frame. So by the end of this video, you will know how to structure your designs in a more efficient way. Let's dive in. So before we start applying auto layouts, let's understand what it does. Auto layout allows you to automatically adjust spacing between elements, and helps you resize components by dynamically, containing them, just like we did here at the bottom. It also helps you align elements easily without manual adjustment. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm just going to bring up a component. Let's say I'm just going to drag, I'm just going to bring this out. I'm just going to bring this out now. So I put my cursor over here and I drag this down over here. Great. So instead of me creating a frame, first thing I'll do is apply an auto layout to this. See? Auto layout. So once I apply the auto layout, it gives it a frame. And if I want to make this frame a cycle, what I'll do is just go to the property channel and follow through. So I go to the property channel and I follow through, I come over here and I go to the padding and I say, yeah, I want more space. I could say 12. It's actually the one more space. Say 12 over there, 12 here. Just to increase, just to get more room. And next thing I'll do is I'll come down to the corner radius just to get the circle that I want. I'll come over here and I look upwards. I see that the height is 72 and I come over here and just put 72, 72, and that gives me a circle. So that gives me a circle and I come down to the field and I click on it. I say, you see, it just gives me that immediately. What I want to do now is I want to change the coloring. So I'll just click on the main frame here and come down to the bottom and I see both colors that are outlined in the auto layout. And since I want to change the black color, I'll come over here and I'll put white and I'll come over here and I'll put black. Don't forget we're trying to recreate the image that we had before. So since this is the image we're trying to recreate, let's get started. I've created the first circle. I'm going to go on to the next. So here on, I have done the first circle. I'm going to create the next one. I'm going to click on Alt. I'm going to click on the Alt key. I'm going to drag this over here. And I go to the property channel and I click on this icon near the hug button and I click on it so it enables me adjust my icon. And I click on it and I lock it in and I come over here and I just drag it. Oh, we have to. Afterwards, I come over here and I reduce the padding. I say, I'm gonna go with 4, I go with 4, and I do the padding, and I go with 4, and I click on it again. I try to align this, and I say, come over here. So this is what we have. So I'm gonna try to align it, and I come over here. When designing, you must always look at the property channel. That's where you have everything to readjust your design. So I'm gonna come over here now, and I'll click on the center alignment. Ta-da! See, it's done perfectly now. And now I'm going to reduce the icon size. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say 20. You reduce it based on the size of your design. No, let's go with 25, 25, 25. And we've done that. Now we're going to have to reduce the padding. And I come over here and I reduce the size. Let's go with 35. 35 over here as well. We'll click on the enter button and here we go, we've got the right size. And we come over here and we change the coloring. Let's go with blue now. Perfect. So now because it has like an auto layout, it's gonna conflict with this. We can put it in. So what we'll do, we'll come over here and we'll say ignore layout. Perfect. We come over here and we take this down and we put it over here. Perfect. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the gradient now. We're gonna give it a lighter shade up here. So we're gonna give it a gradient. No, I want it to be this way, slightly over here, slightly over here. This comes here slightly. Perfect. There we go. We come here and we name it and we say text. Perfect. We come over here and impute our text and we impute our text over here and we say call it this man. So we have this man here. So we're just gonna change the fill button and we're gonna change it to, so we change it to black. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the alt key and duplicate this over here. Perfect. And now we've done this, we're gonna group this, click on the shift key and click on this and click on shift A, which is the auto layout. Now we'll click on the auto layout button, we'll come over here and we reduce the text size. You know, we need to apply the principles of design. We're gonna reduce the text size. We're gonna say regular and make it thin. Just we're gonna reduce the font number as well, just for hierarchy. That's not the main focus. We're going to come over here and we say we're going to put this at 11. We can also extend the text by saying, you can come here and say man, man. So I'm going to have to make these an auto layout so I can make the adjustments. So after putting this, see that it's not properly aligning. Then I come over here and I click on the alignment button over here and it goes back. Perfect. Then after that, I come over here and I click on my Alt key, click on this, and I click on my Shift key. I click on this, I click on this, and I do auto layout. Perfect. So here we go, and I'm just gonna duplicate this now, and I'll say over here. Perfect. And we come over here, and I put this over here just to have proper alignment, and I put this over there. Same with this. You must learn to align your text properly. And I come over here and I click on the alignment button and it's all aligned. So the last thing I'm going to do now is group them all on auto layouts. I'm going to group them based on similarities. I'm going to click on this, and I click on auto layouts. Perfect. Then I group this, I click on this, I click on this frame, click on this, click on this, click on this. So now we're just gonna change the text to the money figures over here. So now we're just gonna click on this and click on this and apply the auto layout. Shift A. There we go. Auto layout is ready. We're gonna change this background now. So yes, we've done it. We'll continue the rest in the next class, and this is it today. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.